The absolute most important thing in negotiating your salary, it's not research, it's not who says the number first, it's not how well you interview, it's not even being the most qualified for the position. Anytime I have ever had to negotiate anything in my life, including as a kid with my parents, had I understood the most important thing, I may have gotten the thing I wanted most. I would get so frustrated as a kid, but what I didn't know at the time was that I did not have an alternative to ensure I got the best deal in the negotiation. Not having an alternative when my parents said no left me silenced at the negotiation table. Fast forward, I began negotiating with coaches, leaders, bosses, HR, recruiters, car salesmen, home sellers, jewelry stores, all retail stores for that matter. I strongly believe in paying my perceived value for a good or a service. And I strongly believe in being paid my perceived value for a good or a service that I provide. The absolute most important thing is that I have an alternative that will give me the courage, strength, and the lack of desperation to walk away from the negotiation table. What gives you the power to get up from the negotiation table and walk away is your alternative. Your second option, your career options. If you are committed to consistently being in an open marriage with your current employer and exploring all career opportunities, including your side hustle, you will be empowered to not settle for anything less than your minimum. And if you hear the words, that's the best offer we have, that's our final offer, that's the best we can do, you can feel comfortable and confident that now is not the right time with that specific organization, for example. You can express what you felt was a great fit up until the point of what you are worth, and ask them to keep you in mind if they're able to meet your requests in the future. And then say, have a wonderful day, with a smile. Here are 4 questions to answer to start addressing to ensure your alternatives are options that will give you the power to walk away. Number 1, are you applying and interviewing? This helps you keep job offers on the horizon, if not to take today, to take in the future. Number 2, are you keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date and expanding your network? Your network can expand while you're holding your phone with just a few clicks weekly. Let the algorithm do most of the work for you. Number 3, are you consistently upskilling, adding to your resume with certifications and experience, exposure, projects, and more? They're all great ways to improve your market value, boost your confidence, and you will appear in more searches on LinkedIn, but only if you update your profile consistently. Number 4, do you have your streams of income, net worth, and your alternatives written down? If not, it's time, because the only way to override what's currently on your subconscious hard drive is to write down what reality is for you in your current situation, as well as what you want in the future. Then you make adjustments if necessary, and ultimately be able to stand up in a negotiation and walk away if necessary. I try to leave each podcast on a note of moving things forward fast. But for this episode, it's imperative that I wrap up these hacks with what happens if you don't have a great alternative. You are probably experiencing this right now. You accepted a job for less than you thought you were worth, and confirmation bias has set in almost every area of your work daily. You might be saying things like, they don't pay me enough to do this. I'm not doing that. I'm sick and tired of XYZ company. They really don't take care of their employees. My question to you is it really the company, or did you sign up for what they offer? Corporate America is not a person. They are not holding you hostage. If you want to renegotiate, you can do so today. If those negotiations fail, you can leave. But never forget the moment you accepted the offer. If you didn't get what was at least at your minimum threshold, you are setting yourself up to be miserable. For your bonus hack today, as a kid, I didn't have anything I was offering my parents in relationship to why they should say yes. As I got older, I was able to leverage my grades, my good behavior, cleaning up around the house, and so much more, making it difficult for them to tell me no. What do you have to leverage in an effort to show supreme value to the organization? making it impossible for them to tell you no. I love you.